plenty of other stocks that we're looking at. Well, here you go. Here's the first tick on the index, absolutely flat as we begin opening today. Not doing much at all. The Nifty is at 18,750. You have the mid caps that are very, very quiet as well, up just about 22 odd points. Big movers, Axis Bank, not a big mover really, just the top gainer at the moment, up about 0.2%, I think. Then you have a couple of other names. Divi's Labs is up 0.6%. Bajaj Auto has been one of the strongest stocks this year, up 30% for the year, so that one's looking good. Hero MotoCorp is not too far behind. You have Cipla, Axis Bank, Apollo Hospitals, SBI Life, Adani Enterprises and Grasim that are topping the charts this morning. On the downside, it's IT yet again. So a lot of cautious commentary coming in from, several brokerages about the IT sector. Infosys, TCS, under pressure. Tech Mahindra is also under a bit of pressure right now. And something like Hindalco is coming in for a little bit of profit taking, down 0.8%. Apart from that, consumption is taking a bit of a backseat this morning. Tata Consumer is down about 0.5%. You have a couple of other names that are also a tad bit in the red. And Reliance is dragging its feet down about 0.3%. But there are plenty of stocks in the broader market that are looking quite good actually. So I'm going to hand it over to Surbhi. But for now, the advance decline ratio is well in favor of advances. So at least the market breadth is positive at the moment.
You know, it's a very quiet start even for the mid-cap market. So this is a slightly different market than what we've gotten used to sort of seeing, because mid-caps are also taking it slow and steady. You don't have immediate high flyers, to begin with. Some names like Varun Beverages are cropping up on the charts. It's 3.5% up on Varun Beverages. There's Poly Medicure, which is up 3% in early trades. SJVN is coming right up. V-Mart is seeing some traction thereabouts. Let's look at Spandana. It's up about 1.5% right now. KFin, by the way, has withdrawn its application with the depositories. Stock's down about 2.5%. Persistent has that negative note from Ambit today. That stock's down about 1% as well. But no dramatic moves in either direction, neither up nor down. On the volumes chart, stocks that stand out right now would be perhaps KRBL, BLS, L&T Finance Holdings. But then these gains are just 1 to 2%, so to speak. And Varun is the one that's really in focus on both price and volume action. Otherwise, mid-caps are taking it very easy. The mid-cap index is just really trying to hold on to the green side, whereas the Nifty is now seeing slightly deeper cuts. The Bank Nifty is down about 0.2%. So you've got banks down, you've got IT down, you've got Reliance down. That's not a great combination for the bulls because your three large pockets of the market are trending on the softer side. Pretty cautious, Prashant, from what we can see right now.
Yeah, 20 points lower, right? So it's a flat kind of a start. 18,740 is where we are at. I mean, look at the Nifty Bank as well, which has been the more ranged kind of the two indices. It's starting about 0.25% lower, which is what 100 points in the Nifty Bank, which means that we are kind of, going below the 20-day. We left off within 3 points of the 20-day moving average, but right at the word go this morning with a 100-point cut, there's a bit of a downtick which is coming there. It's been treading water now for the last 4 days around that level. Now, Zomato sold off 6% yesterday on decent volumes. It's down another 1% this morning at start. Infosys is down 1%. It's coming up with very large volumes, so keep an eye. Anantraj Industries is another one, which is down about 2.33%. And Tata Chemicals is another one. So, was a 4-digit stock till the day before. It's now at about 960 with another 1.25% cut. It lost some ground yesterday as well. Maybe look at GHCL, which is the pure soda ash company out of the two. Tanla Solutions has had a very large run, so there is, I think, some profit taking there, 1.5% lower, just highlighting stuff with volumes. And of course, Suzlon has been it's done very, very well, and that is down as well. Coming up with volumes, APL Apollo is down about 2.5% as well. Sangam Industries, we highlighted this in the morning as far as the blocks are concerned. Vivek highlighted that is down about 1.25%. It had a very, very large move yesterday. And has done very well. I mean, 2nd of June, the stock was 230. It's at 330 today. So it just, 7 or 8 trading sessions, Sangam Industries has done that. So, and of course, yesterday's block deals data indicating that there are some large, well-known investors in the name as well. Rain Industries is up 2.5%, some stuff on the upside as well. Fact had a very large day yesterday. So that is up another 5%. You got SJVN, which is up 2.25%. I think we highlighted that. Adani Total Gas is up about 2.5%. And V-Mart, there was a blocks data. We highlighted this in the morning. Amansa, which already owned 7%, has picked up some more shares yesterday. And V-Mart, which has been a huge underperformer, is starting about 3% higher. Some of these diagnostic chains as well. Metropolis with a 3% gain, 1343, 1345. So keep an eye. But 30 points lower on the Nifty, Sonia.
You know, you were mentioning Metropolis. All of these hospital companies are sitting at fresh highs today.
Yep.
So whether it's Max Health, Global Health, which is Medanta, Narayana Health, all of them at fresh highs. And all these stocks have given you 30-35% returns this year. So, I mean, of course, they're doing better business, hopefully. You never want to be, a part of their business. But in any case, I mean, for their shareholders, always a good thing.
Absolutely. And by the way, Narayana management joins us as well a little later on the program. So we'll put some of that to them. Imagica, which is, of course, is up about 8% or so, 52 rupees, is coming up with some volumes as well this morning. So we'll see how this goes. But right now, it's absolutely flat kind of a start on the indices.